morning everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. Thank you so much guys for subscribing and liking and sharing, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Today I'm working on a 40 centimeter round or 16 inch. Going to do things a little bit differently today, just see if this works out. So first of all, I am going to cover my canvas in parts of it really in black. So I wasn't too sure if I was going to do I wasn't too sure if I was going to do the whole round black there. But anyway, I am going to use no, I'm not. I'm going to cover this and I'll see you in a bit. And in the center I'm going to put white, so I'll see you in a bit guys. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and done that, and I have torched it just so I don't waste time. Now what I should have done really, sometimes I forget, is to paint the outer edge with the black first, because this black is really unforgiving on the sides. So if I do have any blank areas, so to speak, I will go around it with a brush after it's dried. Right, so I'm going in with what am I going to do? This is going to be a little bit tricky. I'll just put some red down. So if you look in the description box, I will put all of my paints that I've used. So that was the red. I'm just going to add a little bit of white onto the black. And this is my Bloom recipe white. I don't want too much, because I've already got the white down there already. It's obviously, you know, it's actually going to make the red pink onto the white, and I'm kind of looking for more of the red on the black, but let's see how that goes. Wish me luck guys. think that is very pretty. I do want to blow some out, obviously. So I'm just going to blow some into the center. That's looking really pretty. Right, I'm going to turn this around because I'd like to blow a bit from that side. I'm just checking out my composition. Oh, let's get that out there. So I really like that these two are in. Looking pretty. Right, so I'm just seeing. I love that. Let me give this a torch and see what happens. I'm not too happy with this part here. I think I'm just going to blow that a bit. That is a better balance. Well guys, let me know what you think. I do like it though. Alright guys, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Alright guys, here it is. There are so many beautiful parts to this. I love all of these tiny little cells. Very, very pretty. And I absolutely love that part there. That is so gorgeous. It looks like a, I don't know, a cat. Isn't that cool? It looks just like a cat there. Well guys, sorry for the traveling studio light. It's really overcast today and it's raining, so if I have the light off you won't see a thing. So I'll try and just move around it. See if you can still pick up all the gorgeous parts. Love that part there too. And I love that it's got the white with the black in between and then the red back to the white again. And this part here almost looks like it's kind of folded over. Let's see how beautiful that is. It's really got some awesome effects. Well guys, if you're interested in any of my artwork, let me know. You can send me an email on withBade@gmail.com and we'll take it from there. Shipping is not too bad from New Zealand, so you can be a little bit rest assured that you know, it's not horrendous. It kind of looks like a dragon right there. There's the wing. There's kind of like the arm. Well guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think? And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.